So here you are. You bought a green screen. Now what are you going to do? Don't worry, because I'm here to show you what to do. This is going to be a green screen tutorial on the proper things for you to do to come up with a transparent background for OBS Studios as well as Streamlabs. Alright, for the Streamlabs tutorial, just scroll through the timeline until you get up to this timestamp right here. So you have OBS pulled up, but you don't have your webcam on. A simple tutorial for that is just simply, you go over to your sources right here, you click the add tab, a video capture device, that's going to be your webcam, and then you hit OK. There you go, pulls up. Alright, so from there you're just gonna hit OK. Now for me, I want to actually make sure that my webcam is recording at the proper resolution that I want, which is 1080p. So from there, I'm going to hit that, right click, properties, and then I'm going to go to here for device default. I'm going to hit custom, and then for the resolution, I am just going to hit 1080p, and then boom. Now that my webcam will be putting up at perfect 1080p for the good quality. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shrink myself just by simply clicking on the video capture, making sure that's highlighted, highlighting the image, highlighting my webcam. It's got a big old red outline on it, and then I'm just going to simply just shrink this corner right here for now. Next step is going to be very critical. It's going to be very important. It's going to just be about the easiest thing that you're going to do, okay? So, again, make sure it's highlighted, right click, then you're going to hit filters. You're going to go to effects filters. You're going to hit add, and then it's going to be Chroma Key. That is what's going to turn my green screen into a transparent background, all right? So, just hit Chroma Key, or even just green screen. If you want to rename it that, holy heck, I spelled that wrong. Alright. And then hit yeah. And then there we go. We now have the green screen effect. So this whole gray background that you see right here is what the Chroma Key has picked up as just that bright green that it's looking for to turn into the transparent background that it will be. So this is a quick side note. I've already done one step already, but I ended up realizing maybe people would actually ought to know this as well as far as doing your green screen goes. If you're like very meticulous on how cut out you want to be for your green screen effect, these are going to be the settings to do so. All right. So right here, you could go just for like on how similar of the color on the green screen is going to end up getting registered by the Chroma Key to become the transparent background. It's pretty good already as like being able to like pick everything out. I'm just going to put everything back to 400. But if you want to tweak those settings just to make it a lot smoother, these are going to be the settings to do so. Similarity to the color that you want, the smoothness, meaning just like on how soft you want the cutoff to be for your green screen effect, as well as your spill color reduction. Pretty much just there you go. Pretty much you max it out, you become gray. All right. So then from there, boom. Now this doesn't want to become part of the green screen, and I'm good. Okay. So. End side note. Alright, now you're going to notice just this little tinge of green that's over here on the outside. I could show you a cheap and effective way to do that. Okay, so you're going to hit close. Alright, then you're just going to make sure that everything is up to speed and all that. You could just do just a simple effective, just like clicking and then just dragging your image to a point where that just won't even show anymore. You could just do that, and then boom, then you're done. Okay. But I could show you a more effective way of doing that. Okay, you could just leave it at that. But what I do is I'm gonna highlight, right click, filter. I'm gonna hit another plus, filter, and I'm gonna hit crop/pad. All right. So in crop/pad, you could just hit OK, and then from here you could actually cut off this little blemish that you actually see here. So on the picture's left side, you're gonna tell it how many pixels you actually want to remove. Okay, 400 is good right there. And from the bottom, I could just hit 20, almost there, to 30. Boom, boom arm is completely out of the picture. And now we are ready to go on. Just simply hit close. That is what is the new crop. Okay. Then yeah, that's it. So now just resize, put it however you want, even off screen. Right there. So now we have our we pretty much got our template. No matter how big you actually want yourself to appear on your stream or on your videos whenever you're making YouTube content, how big you want yourself, where you want to position yourself. It's just as simple as just drag and drop now. That's what I love about OBS, is the simplicity of it. Now we are going to go to green screen effect for Streamlabs OBS. All right, there is a bit of a difference, not really much, but just as quick, just as easy. Promise you guys. All right, so now I have Streamlabs OBS popped up. Okay. So as you can see, I already got my set layout. I already got everything like pretty much just like set up. I just need to put the webcam on now. And it's literally just as easy, and maybe even just as many steps as in OBS Studios, just regular OBS Studios. You're going to find your sources. You're going to go add video capture. Okay. We're going to add the source. Boom. You see me again. Hello. Add source. And then literally just go on from there. You're going to go right click it. You're going to go to your filters, which is up here. And you're going to start messing around with some filters. It's just the same thing as before. From here, going to scroll down until you find Chroma Key. Hit done. And then boom. We're going to use the crop and pad just to get rid of this little section right here, so I won't have to worry about it. Done. Okay, and then same thing again. Boom. Filters. We're going to add another one right here. Just hit this little add button right here. From here, right here, which is usually the first selection, crop and pad. Hit done. And just like the last time, just mess with the settings until you feel satisfied with your frame that is going to be showing. And then 40 here. Nah, it's a little bit too much. We're going to go 20. Yeah, we'll go 20. Okay. And then you got your little green screen little deal right here where my picture is going to land. So we're just going to resize and then just simply drag and drop to your desired liking. Boom. And you have done it. I hope you find this video informative, as well as also your friends. If you like the video, give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, or maybe even just get alerted that I made more videos like this, based on your suggestions, hit subscribe. Also to hit that notification bell. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye, guys.